Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, N.P. Detailing. Today I'm doing a quick video on how to restore headlights on your car. Chap just dropped his headlights off from a Jaguar XJR 2003 model. I've done a video previously, one of my first videos on the Jag. This one's a new one. So let's get to it and talk about these headlights. So as you can see, the headlights are not in that great shape, really hazy. You can see the lens plastic's been sun damaged over the years. It is an old car, isn't it? So 2003. So obviously when you have headlights with this kind of condition on the lenses, what happens is instead of the light coming outwards, the light tends to disperse sideways and in every other direction apart from on the road. So you lose a lot of light and it can make nighttime driving a nightmare. Okay guys, so what things you need to do a headlight restoration? Okay, this is just the start of it. So the first thing you need to do is clean the headlight using all-purpose cleaner. I use Autosmart G101, sorry. A decent microfiber cloth. This is 350 GSM. Detailer's brush just to froth up the all-purpose cleaner so you can get into all the headlight crevices, whatever. Don't saturate it though. Some degreaser. This is Epsuma degreaser, really strong stuff, but I only dilute it. And obviously some rubber gloves, because you don't want all that getting in your hands, and your hands will get dirty, getting your nails, and it's not good. Rubber sort of mat. I use like an exercise mat for putting the headlights on. I'm doing it indoors today because it's raining outside, and you can see the state of the headlight. It's quite dirty, so I'll just give it a quick clean, nothing major. Get rid of all the grease and grime and bit of dirt, and see, and do the lens as well, and we can make it look the best as we can. Right, so first of all, use the stronger stuff, spray it on, just work it in. All we're doing is just getting rid of the excess dirt. This brush just helps getting all the nooks and crannies. So just a quick once over. That's it. Probably thinking it looks clear already, but it doesn't. It's just because it's wet, so don't be fooled by that. And that's that. And then you just get microfiber cloth, fold it in fours, and all you want to do is just wipe away the extra dirt. Okay. You see it's already quite dirty. So yeah, just gonna do the underside quickly. So I nearly finished this one headlight, still got to do another one. So what I did is rubbed it down. Here comes my cat. He wants to join in anyway. So yeah, rubbed it down and say hello. Yeah, so he's coming to inspect my work. So rubbed it down with some 1500 in the end because it's quite bad. Then I rubbed it down some 3000 grit, followed by coarse polish and then a fine polish. And I think this is probably the best I'm going to get it, to be honest. A lot better than before. We had to use the headlights pretty well. So now I'm going to start with the ceramic coating, which will add even more clarity to the lenses and protection. Right, so ceramic, I am using Matrix Black ceramic coating. This is used for bodywork, but you can use it on lights, windows. It's 9H, which is top of the end hardness, and this one lasts up to 8 years and provides UV protection, and it's harder than lacquer, which will help maybe protect the headlights better than they are at the minute, because they're plastic and they can get pitted, stone chips, etc., debris off the road, cause some damage. So that I'm going to be applying shortly. So just a little bit on the cloth, couple of drops, few drops, that's it. I've got to be very quick with this because it goes off pretty fast. So hopefully this should fill some of the gaps in the plastic, add a bit more clarity. And a little bit of gloss as well. A little bit more. Now just buff it off slightly. That just takes the high spots off and leaves a very thin layer of ceramic on it. That is it. Now leave that probably for about an hour or so to dry, and it should be ready to go. As you can see, it's a lot more clearer. There is a lot of pitting on the headlight. There's quite some deep scratches, but compared to before, you can actually see inside the headlight quite clearly. If you can see inside it, the light can then come out of it. This one, I don't know, it's got some burnt plastic up there. I don't know what's happened. A lot of heat probably reacted, or maybe that could be just dirt trapped in there. I can't really break the seal of the headlight because then it will start letting water in. So but that is a massive improvement compared to before. As you can see in the corner, yeah.